the jurisdictional deputy commissioner party ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ.
ಇಲ್ಲ madam. In the writ petition, deputy commissioner was not a party, but the writ petition was disposed of on the letter issued by the deputy commissioner directing the then Tahsildar to vacate the unauthorized occupants in the land, my lords. A DC or letter mail in this honorable court was pleased to dispose of the writ petition on
Whether
that.
in that report, these Hakkupatras are spoken?
Yes, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page number 11, annexure R1 ನಲ್ಲಿ, my lords. Relevant para.
Annexure R1.
Vacating application filed in the review petition, my lords.
Your application.
Yes, my lords. Vacating application filed by respondent number 2 and 3. In that, my lords, page number 10.
Page 10.
Bhrashtachara Nigra, your lordship may get it.
Para 2.
And subsequently also in page number 11 nallu kuda adana reiterate ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈ ತಂಡವನ್ನ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Yes, ma'am.
ಈ ತಂಡ ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತು.
That report government has to.
I will submit that. I will get instruction on that report.
Learned government advocate appearing for the respondent Tahsildar shall state as to what action has been taken pursuant to official memorandum dated 12/1/2022 issued by the Deputy Commissioner Chikmagalur Jille District, a copy whereof avails at annexure R1 to the vacating application in IN number 3 of 2022 filed by the private respondent. First, he shall also state as to what action has been taken against the Tahsildar who had issued the Hakkupatras in question, which are pressed into service for founding the revision petitions. First, this should be done within a period of 10 days, failing which the deputy commissioner may be personally summoned in the matter. Next paragraph. Till next date of hearing, the occupation of the review petitioners shall not be disturbed. Shall not be disturbed. First off, registry to send a copy of this order to the Deputy Commissioner, Chikmagalur District, Chikmagalur, for information and needful action, immediately by speed post.
My lords, one more submission if your lordship may permit, my lords. Interim order is there, my lords.
There is already interim order, but
Interim order continues.
I said there is already an interim
Shall
order.
not be delivered. Interim order granted on 4/2/2023 shall continue.
My lord, one submission your lordship may kindly consider.
Ah.
With respect to the encroachment itself,
Report
land grabbing
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
proceeding is also initiated against the present petitioners, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Is the
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
instruction. ಅಲ್ಲಿ warrant ಏನೋ issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is the information which has
ಅಲ್ಲಿ-
been received.
The government advocate also shall state as to pendency of the proceedings before the special court for prevention of land grabbing, Bengaluru, if any, taken against petitioners and such other similarly circumstanced persons. Okay.
The fourth respondent hearing, fourth respondent.
The copy of this order.
A carbon copy of this order we made available to the learned AGA.
Brother, one
Next.
submission. Fourth respondent, my lord.
Next.
It is he who filed writ petition along with others challenging the, he too, he is also beneficiary. He also made an application.
Not.
He got the land
Next.
granted in his name,
Next.
but he has no right to question others.
All.
Appearing for the petitioners, your lordships.
Steps you have to take.
Steps, it may be dispensed with regard to R2 because they are not the contesting respondent as far as this particular writ is concerned. It's
Indian
Indian
Overseas
Overseas
Bank
Bank.
is not contesting respondent.
No, the application had been moved by the respondent number 1 and the order had been passed based on his writ petition. They had not participated even in the writ petition when it was heard here.
But no, notice sorry.
By hand, your
Issue.
lordships,
All,
then I may be
counsel
permitted to
for the petitioner is permitted to take hand summons to the respondent, second respondent bank,
bank.
second respondent bank. Okay.
One submission, your lordships. A week may be fixed, your lordships. I'm not saying date, given the fact some
Post
week.
on the same order, on the day when judge of this court sits single.
Much
Okay.
obliged.
Extension of time for signs. But don't die there. Okay.
Milords, appear for the petitioner, Milords. We may be permitted to withdraw the CMP, Milords. We have approached the commercial court for this. We filed a memo to that extent also, Milords.
Memo ideyana?
28 November 24.
IA is disposed of as having not been pressed. Okay.
Much obliged.
Shivarajkumar Gowda.
I appear for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the petitioners are not party in the writ petition, my
They were
lord.
not parties.
No, my lord.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ order?
My lord, it's given direction to change the kata in terms of the compromise decree, my lord. My
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
lord, the
compromise-
writ.
You are not party to the compromise decree also?
No, my lord.
Not party to the
Not
compromise.
party.
No, my lord.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ no?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
I'm the owner of the 2 acres, 30 guntas of land, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ
Yes, my lord. Interim order also granted, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
Yes,
application in I number 1 of 2023 supported by affidavit seeking condonation of delay of 364 days in filing the review petition is allowed and delay is condoned. Okay. Application in I number 3 of 2023 for leave to produce additional documents shall be considered along with the main matter.
Is-
Full stop. Application in I number 5 of 2023, again being supported by the affidavit, seeks interim protection on the ground that the petitioners
My lord, on submission, my lord, is already interim order is granted.
contact
Yeah, additional document is produced. So remain the writ petition, my lord, is restore the writ petition, my lord, is
are agreeable for
please.
that. Next one, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Is also taken. Application seeking leave to produce additional documents in line with order 43 rule 21. 4326 ಅಲ್ಲ 4326 is allowed and additional documents produced or taken on record. First off, learned counsel for the review petitioner submits that his clients were not parties to the writ petition
yes, my lord.
in which subject order came to be passed, which arguably would affect his interest in the property. First off, he also says that he was not a party to the compromise decree in question either. First off. Next paragraph. In view of the above, or even you are not disputing this version.
Lines of the order, my lord.
ಹಾ.
You are already entered the
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ
respondent name,
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ they were not parties.
subject outcome ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು.
That's ಹೌದಾ? Okay. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In view of this position is not disputed by the other side. First off, in view of the above, the order whereby the writ petition was disposed of, directing making of the entries in terms of compromise decree stands recalled, comma, review petition having been allowed. First off, as a consequence, the WP case in WP number 1205 of
2020.
2020 20 KLR stands restored to the board for consideration of fresh. First off, it is open to the review petitioners to seek their impleadment
Yes.
in the said petition within a period of 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
4 weeks.
Okay.
Okay.
And my lord, now
Ah.
the writ petitioner is also expired, my lord.
Ah.
The LRs are on record in the review petition. And
ಅದು ರಿಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ.
yes,
ಮುಂದೆ ಏನೇನ್
Petition is-
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
please.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ WP ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ
Please.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
yes,
All right.
much obliged.
Ordered according to WP.